Hi everyone, welcome back to our Crafty channel. I am Ananya and today we're going to make a paper aeroplane like this. So let's get started. So first we need to fold the paper from this edge to this edge. So I've made the crease. So make a crease. And now we'll fold it from this edge to this edge. So take this corner and fold it towards the line you can see here. We got 4 lines in the first. And make the crease. And now do the same with the other corner. Now that we have folded the corners, let's take this corner here and fold inwards again. Remember, only till the line. And crease it off. Do the same with the other corner. And down. And now, let's turn it over. And you can see this line, right? So take the top corner and fold it at that line. See? Now like this. And now you take it, you flip it again. And then take this corner and fold inwards once again. And now turn over and put this up like this. Only till where you cannot take it more up, because if you take too strong and you do it like this, then the paper will tear. So only that much. And now flip it like this, and you can see this whole line, right? So fold it till there. And it's the finishing touch time to make the wings. So fold it like this. And make sure the corners are folded. And now let's do the other side. Now that we've made the wings on both sides, gently press it down. And open like this. Take it a bit like this. Open this part. And then just try to make fold here, and then just little tightness here, and then voila, our paper plane is ready. Doesn't it look good? It looks just like this one because they both are the same. You can make one too, and you can test it outside. I bet it'll fly amazing. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share our videos. Until the next video, bye bye.